right there. He was on top, wasn't he? I don't know if he's on top or right there on that next ring. I see him. He's on the ring. I told you. See him right there. Right close. Don't move. See him? To the right of them biggest trees. Is he above us? No, yeah, he's above us. Shit, he's probably killing range, but I don't know, I can't tell. I'm looking through the camera now. Why don't you just softly call to make him move? Here he comes, here he comes. You see? Shoot him. It's even a gobbler. Yeah, it's a gobbler. I'm on him good. Something in a hell of a bind. Thank you. Well, I was trying to get footage. We got footage. Let him roll to the bottom. Hell, he's just rolling, ain't he? Man, I ain't lying. My back was in a bind. I was starting to shake. The camera was starting to shake.
Tell you what, this is our first day, first morning up here hunting with Jason. Jason making a loop trying to get on some other turkeys. Weather turned off bad, it's been raining, temperatures dropped. It was 60 something when we got up this morning. It's in the 30s now. Cold, wet. Got on this group of turkeys. It ended up being 3 gobblers. Long story short, we made some loops. Finally got one of them. This mountain hunting is rough. If any of you hadn't ever done it, tough hunting. Got Kerry Wayne on the camera as usual. Me and him fitting to swap up and be his turn on the gun. But got the first one down. Still some daylight to burn, so we'll make the best of the bad conditions. Tomorrow's supposed to be better. First one flopping, more to go. Doing a little feather dusting, spring cleaning, MFK style. We'll go over here and check this thing out.
I didn't realize it was that steep.
Yep, here he is. First one in the pile. Spring cleaning, feather dusting. Up here with Jason Gross close in the Appalachian Mountains of Virginia. been a tough morning. It's starting to rain again. So we fixing to grab this one and try to get to the truck before we get any wetter than we are. See if we can't round up another one after the rain. Well, we got Jason rounded up. He's been out trying to scout out some more. This is our first day in Appalachian Mountains. Hunting with Jason. Take it from there. What's going on? I mean, this is your spot.
Yeah, the weather, we ain't had the best of conditions this morning. It was icing a few minutes ago. It was
sleeting right now.
Sleeting
now.
now.
It's sleet again right now.
It's 58 degrees when we walked out the door this morning about 5:30, and it's dropped to 38 now. So I mean, it's not the most prime spring gobbler hunting conditions you could ask for, but we got on. They were gobbling good. We got a few more located for in the morning. It's supposed to be a little better weather, so we'll hit them hard then. Hopefully it's sleet and ice and all that'll be good.
Spring cleaning and feather dusting.
That's right.
Okay, boys.
First day in Virginia, already got one down. It's gonna be a bad week for the gobblers. I have a feeling. So.
I don't know how many's gonna flop, but it's a sure thing.
That's right.
Well, I guess we'll throw this one up and get out of this weather.
About time to go get a bite to eat, ain't it, boys?
And a heater.
And a heater.
It's a dry clothes.